Good evening from Bangkok, dear Wisdomisers and Wisdomized traders. Another episode of uh, the Readers Hub, and we are going to explore the coin radar and the hottest coins on the market based on the intelligence that we're seeing and exploring on a day-to-day basis. My name is Max, and let's dive into it right away. So again, we've had actually a really good day in the markets. We've now had BTC dropping relatively um, fast, but it has a lot to room to go to where we want it to go ultimately, which I believe the retest will happen, but it will happen when we least expect it to happen. So I don't think it's gonna happen in the next few weeks. I think we're gonna just create um, essentially the retail is looking at this party right now, and they want to get part of it as well. So I believe we're gonna just range here around 84 and 90 region, and then maybe either go for a retest or create a flag and go directly from here like this to the upside and retest this area later. But for now, we're seeing, as you can see, a little bit of dump here on majority of the cryptos. From what we're seeing, these what was there, Roblox coin, or what was it? The same thing that we realized, analyzed yesterday on Bitgate, right? Or PayPay. This is something that actually tagged us into the trade, and obviously AI prophecy, the crypto that went nuts, and Peanut as well on Bitget. They are doing relatively well, but other than that, the market seems to be quite red, especially on altcoins. Like you can see, like we're seeing a little bit of dump indeed. Solana, a little bit of downside movements, but again, like if you think about it this way, so we just broke off of this sort of bullish price structure, like pennant sort of movement, not perfect pennant, but again, we're moving impulsively now, and I believe it's just a matter of time until we'll take out this high and go much further on Solana. So as you can see, like a lot of alts, a lot of meme coins are also having a correction. So like Mu, for example, this meme coin is worth over $1 billion. Can you imagine this? Like it just blows my mind, and I believe that my mind will be much more blown away in the upcoming bull run, where Popcat will go to 5 bare minimum, and Popcat, I expect this to come around this area. If you zoom out, it's just evident that it's the number one cat, and I wouldn't be surprised at all. But anyway, this is about the market, the current market situation currently. Wisdom is up actually a little bit on the grand scheme of things. Not too much, but again, we've been covering this a lot. So obviously, all the community is looking for price to rise. They don't want to get stuck in the range. They want their tokens to go up, and I believe this is just completely normal. So no problem with this. But if you want to have my honest opinion on Wisdomize AI token, then this should pump at least to like 2x from here, from this range. I believe we're gonna take out this high here, because as you can see, we have established this kind of, let's say this is a support zone where you can see there is no sellers anymore. Like the only way, or and also no real buyers who wants to buy with size. But this sort of 1 million market cap is something that no one below that it doesn't make sense, given how good of a project this is. And you can see based on the videos as well that I'm making that these calls are really, really good. Like it's just a matter of a time. Like now it's a matter of a time, not if, but when. I don't know about the price targets, but don't expect like all-time high without any sort of pullbacks. Like you will see a lot of this as usual. This is crypto, baby. Unless we're gonna see something like crazy pump, which would be like five X pump right away. This also can happen, but I think we're gonna slowly grind up here as we go and go and go and go, and like in a similar nature as you saw here, this sort of thing. We're gonna just go like this on a grammar scheme of things. But if you haven't bought yet, then this is perfect opportunity to buy or scale in. So, if, for example, if you bought like on five, then now you can average down so that your average will be around here. And this is basically guaranteed that the token will go there. Like there's no shadow of a doubt in my mind. But again, like I can't really predict the like when this will happen. And technical analysis doesn't really work in crypto anyway. So yeah, so this is Wisdomized token because I get lots of requests. So you just need to wait basically. If you bought in this area, just wait and do not give anything away until we reach this 2.5. Because with this zone, we're gonna probably retest. Like this is basically in my mind guaranteed. I just don't know exactly when. Maybe next year, maybe now, maybe tomorrow, maybe in 1 hour. I have no clue. And I am not gonna pump the price myself. So that's that. Regarding the Wisdomized intelligence, let's dive a bit further about what's on the agenda right now. I hope you can also enjoy a little bit of the view. I'm in Bangkok on 41st floor, and I like having the view to the other side. But yeah. Anyway, what I wanted to say that just purely from a market cap perspective, you can actually have a search engine which, for example, you can see that there is a possibility to go as low as possible with market caps. So we start 250K and Sonic Snipe Bot. I mean, I understand that majority of you guys are looking for shit coins or for meme coins that will go like parabolic and everyone wants to get like these insane returns, and this is completely fine. I'm a degen too. Like I completely understand, but I wouldn't necessarily say that this is the best way to trade. It's again, and it's super uh subjective, right? But if you choose to get these low cap coins, then look at when was it hunted and how much is it from 24 hours. So this would give you something to think about how good risk to reward you actually have. So Sirius has been in this uh, intelligence so many times that I am actually very and I actually loaded up on 1.5 million market cap, which I advised you to do as well. But now it's up to 2x, and I believe it's gonna go to at least 10 million in market cap easily. You see, the parabolic run comes after it goes to 10 million. Then every 15% that it rises if for example if I enter that at 1.5 million market cap, Like before 10 million doesn't really matter. But what happens after 10 million? This is where the real gains start kicking in because every 15% rise, you're basically doubling and doubling and doubling and doubling your money. So here you just have to do nothing and just wait and see where your where the community will bring you, right? So and again, I've been talking about position sizing quite a lot here, and I will keep doing this because position sizing is one of the most important things that you can ever explore or understand or experience in crypto. So, for example, for me, this series, I just put a little bit of money, like a thousand bucks. So this, I don't have any pressure to sell. I don't care about what happens. But if it does 10x, then basically I'm up 10,000, and then that's where psychology comes in. So your position sizing is one of the most important things that you can ever think of in crypto, because this is ultimately everything that's gonna determine whether you're gonna make it or not. Believe me, I'm not. I've experienced this too many times, right? But here, let's see. It's okay. We have something like autism here, right? As a small cap, as something that's been going down minus 20%. So we might just want to take this and see where this might lead us. So autism, it's probably this. So the price, let's check. It's 0922, and this is true. Okay, so this thing has been just in a matter of basically, would I buy it? Probably not. It's up way too heavy, and you're probably not gonna get good trade from here. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see. Okay, well, we have a positive on retire, the last play. This is interesting. The ticker is really good. Retire. Ticker is really good given the degen sort of mafia. I think this could potential just based on the ticker it could run. But we need much more than this. We need to actually understand if this has a bit more information here. Okay, well, not really. Technical ideas, total supply. Okay, so we need to go to the deck screener, right? Let's do this. Retire. I like this name and I like it a lot. Okay, so we have market cap. Yeah, that's the one, I believe. Oh, eight. Yeah. Oh my goodness. All these memes are pumping up like I don't know. Like if something has gone up so much, like one November, it's gone up already 14x, right? Mm, not a good way. Nothing I wouldn't buy personally, but this is my own personality and psychology as well. It's just not for me. It doesn't really make sense to buy something that's already been going up. But again, I'm not saying that it won't. So I personally wouldn't go too far. But okay, let's just see from the okay, well, low caps we just basically didn't go. We have DGen, which has another buying opportunity, even though it has been doing extremely well already. We have here it's up how much? The only way I would buy it if it would come back to this area, not now. Genon, T-Bull, SBR, Strategic Bitcoin Reserve. You see, all of them, almost all of the ones that are on the main page, they are meme coins. Almost all. Brett. I see from this that the Billy, Bonk, Nikolai, Nico. crazy how many projects there are on a day-to-day basis that I have even no clue about what they are, what they do, and all this. So Aptos, WorldCoin, Uranus. Uranus is up. Okay, Uranus could be something. Okay, we need to check Uranus. Okay. Oh, well, this is already better. This is already better. Okay, let's check the website. Let's check their X. Let's check their community for a sec. Let's see. What is their community looking like? Okay, I have 2,400 members. We actually need to check. This is only available through phone, but we need to check how many people there are available at any given moment. So this will also have a lot of, will give us a lot of incentives. But Uranus meme coin, obviously. Um, it's all about meme coins nowadays, guys. Pam, pam, pam. I mean, from technical perspective, this could be something, but I do not believe that this is going to be a good play. But again, from technical perspective and risk reward, this could be something at least. So I would probably ape around two million, and I would sell it at one. So I would only risk 50, but I would have 10 million upside, so 1 to 5. If there would be something like just based on this 15 minutes, I would probably take this Uranus because it's already established. It's not like just 1 month ago launched crypto. So I mean, this could actually do something. Could do something. So yeah, let's see. This is the trade of the day that you have here, and that's the way we are analyzing markets every single day. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.